How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Account Center, which is the first option. Then click on Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then simply select your Facebook account. After that, select Deactivate Account and Continue. After that, add your password and select the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Then scroll down and press on Continue if you want to automatically reactivate within the certain days. You can simply click on the days or simply press on Continue and your account will be deactivated. This is how to deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.